Hey everyone, welcome back to my channel. Imagine this, you are going somewhere and you don't have a calculator with you, but you do have this PC where you have this Fire.js and you have this browser and you have this console. So you want to know the summation of 5 and 10 and you don't have a calculator. So how do you do that? So you simply go to Fire.js and type CLG, which will output console log. Hit the tab button, and here you just want to write 5 plus 10, and the moment I save this one, you can see here I'm getting the value of 15. So right now I know what 5 plus 10 means. Suppose you want a deduction like CLG, and this time you want to know what 10 minus 5 is, so you can do that as well. You can just hit save, and now you will see 5. So let's store some value. Let's have some const. What is const and let and var, I will come back to you with that later, but for the moment just keep in mind that this is something that I am storing a value. So the first one, const a is 10, and the second one, const b is 5. So these are the two values. So a means 10 and b means 5. And now I want to do a couple of math operation like plus, minus, multiplication, divide. So the first one that I can do is CLG, and here I can just say a minus b, a minus b. So instead of 10 minus 5, I can now say a minus b, but I can save this information as well. So for that, what I have to do, I have to write something like const c equal to, then instead of a minus b, I can just write a minus b. So this is as simple as it can be. So if I just console log this CLG and see, I should see 10 minus 5, which is 5. So then I can do some more stuff like 10 a minus b, a plus b, then a multiplied by b, a divided by b. So let's do those as well. So let's take const c e d e f. So what this is doing, this is storing the value. C means a minus b, so this is basically storing this value in C, and this one can be D, this one can be E, this one can be F, and instead of plus minus, I can just write plus, then here I can just write multiply, here I can just write divide. Divide, where are you? So here I can write all this stuff, but currently you are seeing that I am getting none of this because I haven't console logged that output. So in order to get that output, you have to write console log, then you have to write D, then you have to write E, then you have to write F. So C is equal to 10 minus 5 and D is equal to 10 plus 5, which will be 15. E is 10 times 5, which will be 50, and F will be 10 divided by 5, which will be 2. So let's just save this, and here you can see 4 output, 2 output here, 4 output. Okay, the first one is 5, second one is 15, third one is 50, and last one is 2. So this is very simple. You can do it for yourself. If you don't have a calculator next time, make sure you use the JavaScript knowledge that you have right now, and go and find out a PC and just make this file and open your browser and take out your console and log whatever you want this way. This way you are just brushing up your skill, and you are just one step closer to make your next big what can I say, big website or big framework or big language or big application, whatever you want to do. So yeah, the sky is the limit. So I'll be seeing you guys in my next video, jokes apart. Till then, if you like this video and you want more of this, make sure that you subscribe to this channel, because I'll be making a lot of tutorials on modern JavaScript, all the latest features that comes with it that you can use in your project. So yeah, don't miss that. If you like this video, I'll be seeing you guys in my next video. Till then, everyone, take care.